starting Sri Lankan chicken curry. Chicken curry with coconut oil, cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. So if you need to curry leaves, ramba leaf is very important because your curry flavor more. That's why putting ramba leaf. Plain onion, sliced onion, around 200 gram need to add. Need to saute nicely. The raw flavor everything goes. Some slice green chili, around 3 to 4 green chili. Need to add sliced tomato. Marinated chicken. When you curry, you make half an hour before you marinate chicken. All spices going for in chicken. Actually, what putting means here put curry powder, chili powder, and salt and cumin. Need to roast slow fire like a black brown color more than after need to add with chicken. Ginger, garlic plus tomato. Need to puree. Need to add mix a bit water, puree, nice puree. Mix very well. Just 10 minutes need to check with the seasoning. If you less salt, need to add more salt. Now need a little bit of water because chicken already dry though. Need to put, you want gravy more, you can add more water. You less water need to add. After tamarind juice is actually the Sri Lankan tamarind very must. Like a little bit sourness chicken, spicy need. That's why putting. Our chicken almost done. Final touch. Now final touch, Sri Lankan special masala. This is putting whole mixing. Leaves, curry leaves, cumin, fennel leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. All need to powder. You can make. If you once you done chicken curry, you can add. After mix, final finish. Now you tasting time. Thank you.